basically put some cold and hot together, and I tested it on my own skin first. I'm going to wet her down, that way I can get the soap on next. It does take quite a lot of water and quite a lot of rubbing because they do have a dual coat. Start putting the soap in your hand, and you're going to apply it on small areas at a time. I'm going to thoroughly rub it in. Once I finish one section, I will do another, and making sure that it's still wet. Once I did the top bit, I'm going to layer down and do the sides. Being careful not to get it in her eyes or inside her ears. Normally I would use Baby Johnson's formula to do her face. I've also put in a little bit of cotton wool in her ears, that way just in case I get water in there, it won't give her an ear infection. Now we're going to start putting water on her to get the soap off. You're going to be pulling it from top to bottom, that we don't get it in her face accidentally. I'm going to encourage her to shake as well to get as much off as she can. One more rinse just to be on the safe side. Actually gonna blow dry her down. I have already towel dried her a little bit. This will just get the little bit of extra water off if there is any. Now that she's all fluffy and dry, I'm gonna comb her. Make sure she doesn't have any knots in her fur. how happy she looks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. We do a fun one once a week, normally uploaded on Tuesday, and then I'll do a training one, like a gym one, every Thursday.